Hello everyone, and in front of me is XIAOMI 15T, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So, at first you need to open your phone dialer, go to contacts if you are not in this panel, choose the contact that you want to personalize and mark edit. Now select add picture, and here you can either open your camera and and grab a photo right now. You can open your gallery, Google Photos, you can create monogram or add some illustration. Okay, actually you should be able to see here all illustrations. However, I believe my network connection is a bit too weak, definitely because Google Photos experience the same issue. So let me go to my gallery. In that case, choose the picture that you want to add to this contact, customize it however you like, mark choose, and then click on save. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.